I got all the anti-theft stuff hooked up, I think. I got it running now. So, well, first of all, I don't have this hooked up actually. Okay, see the little place next to the cruise control, the little red light? That's going to be on, but right now I don't have it hooked up. But the rest of it is, so let's come in and give you a tour. Okay, so let's climb inside right here. Okay, close the door. Okay, all right. See now, I'm going to try to start the car. Okay, and it comes like this. Oh, that's right, it's a clutch. You push the clutch in. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, so you got to come over here. There's a secret switch. You push right here. Okay, now I'll turn over. Oh, well, why isn't it starting? Oh, because the second switch, which is hidden somewhere else, I have to push that one in. And then it'll start. Isn't that nice? Okay. And she runs. Okay. So I'm glad that everything's working now.